You walk into a coffee shop. The line is moving fast. You've practiced English at home. You know the words. But when the barista smiles and says, "What can I get for you?" your mind suddenly goes blank. You panic. You say, "One coffee." They ask, "What size?" You freeze again. Small? Tall? Medium? Hot? Iced? You feel the people behind you waiting. So you just point at the menu and say, "This."
Oh no, I've been there. Actually, my friend told me she stopped ordering in English because she felt too nervous. She said she always rehearsed the sentence in her head, but the moment the barista asked one extra question, everything fell apart.
Yes, that's the real problem. It's not vocabulary. It's the unexpected follow-up questions.
Exactly. You know coffee. You know latte. But when they ask, for here or to go? Room for milk? Name for the order? Your brain goes into emergency mode.
So today, we're fixing that. We're not just learning words. We're learning the mini conversation that actually happens at a coffee shop.
And we'll give you simple, natural phrases you can use immediately. No long sentences, no stress.
By the end of this episode, you'll be able to walk into a coffee shop, order smoothly, answer follow-up questions, and even sound confident doing it.
Let's turn that awkward one coffee moment into a real conversation.
All right, let's build your coffee shop conversation step by step. We're going to use 4 simple tools. Think of them like Lego blocks, small but powerful. Tool 1, the full order formula. Most learners say, "One coffee." Too short. That's why the barista asks many questions. Use this formula instead. Can I get plus size, plus drink, plus extra detail? That's it. Examples. Can I get a small latte? Can I get a medium iced coffee? Can I get a large cappuccino with oat milk? Now the barista asks fewer questions. You sound clear and confident.
Okay, let me try. Can I get a big hot latte?
Good structure. Perfect formula. Just change big to large. Coffee shops use small, medium, large. So, can I get a large hot latte? Now you sound natural. Why this works? It solves the too many questions problem. You give more information first so you stay in control. Tool 2, the follow-up survival kit. Baristas always ask short questions. You don't need long answers. Use one-phrase replies. Here are the most common ones. For here or to go? To go, please. For here. Hot or iced? Hot, please. Iced, please. What size? Medium, please. Name for the order? Alex. That's all. No full sentences needed.
So I don't need to say, I would like to have it to go because I am in a hurry.
Exactly. Too long. Coffee shop English is short and fast. Say, to go, please. Clear, natural, done. Why this works? It removes the pressure to build long sentences. You answer quickly, like a native speaker. Tool 3, the thinking time phrase. What if you forget a word? Don't panic. Use a pause phrase. Let me think for a second. Give me a moment. What do you recommend? These buy you time. Examples in real situations. Let me think for a second. I'll get a latte. Give me a moment. Medium iced coffee. What do you recommend? I like sweet drinks.
Oh, I like that. Let me try. Give me a moment. I want something, how to say, with chocolate.
That's great communication. Small upgrade. Give me a moment. Do you have something with chocolate? Now it sounds smooth and natural. Why this works. It replaces silence with language. Silence feels awkward, but a pause phrase makes you sound confident. Tool 4. The polite finish. Last step. Close the interaction politely. Use one of these. That's all, thank you. That's it. Thank you. Example full order. Can I get a medium iced latte with oat milk? To go, please. That's all, thank you. Done. Smooth, natural.
Let me try the full flow. Can I get a medium iced latte with oat milk? To go, please. That's all, thank you.
Perfect. That's a real coffee shop conversation. So today's 4 tools. Full order formula. Follow-up survival kit. Thinking time phrase. Polite finish. These are not grammar rules. They are conversation shortcuts.
Use them once, and your next coffee order will feel completely different. Okay, I have a question. What if I use the wrong word, like I say big latte again? Will people think my English is bad?
Here's the truth. In a coffee shop, the barista is listening for information, not perfection. They're thinking, size? Drink? Hot or iced? Name? That's it. If you say big latte, they still understand you. Communication success.
But what about accent? Some learners worry, my pronunciation isn't perfect. People will judge me.
Let me tell you a small story. I once ordered coffee in a country where I spoke the language very badly. My grammar was wrong. My accent was terrible. But the barista smiled and said, "Thanks for trying." Why? Because effort is easier to understand than silence. Here's a sentence I want you to remember. People care more about getting your order right than your grammar right.
That's actually very comforting.
And another one. Your goal is not perfect English. Your goal is successful coffee. If you get your drink, you communicated successfully. That's a win.
So mistakes are not failures. They're proof that we're using the language.
Exactly. Today's tools are not for sounding perfect. They are for making the interaction easy for both people, you and the barista. When communication becomes shared, the pressure disappears.
I like that. It's not me performing English. It's 2 people completing a task together.
Yes, and every time you order, you're building confidence, not just vocabulary.
All right, before we go, let's do a quick review. Today we learned a few coffee shop Swiss Army knives. Alex, ready?
Ready.
Tool number 1.
Full order formula. Can I get plus size, plus drink, plus detail? It keeps you clear and in control.
Tool number 2.
Follow-up survival kit. Short answers like to go, medium, hot please. Fast, natural, no long sentences.
Tool number 3.
Thinking time phrase. Give me a moment. Let me think. What do you recommend? No more awkward silence.
And the last one?
Polite finish. That's all, thank you. Clean, confident ending.
So next time you walk into a coffee shop, you're not guessing. You have a plan.
And next episode, we'll solve another real-life panic moment. What do you say when someone speaks too fast and you don't understand anything? Not just what, but polite, natural ways to ask, could you say that again? A little more slowly, please. Do you mean?
Because understanding is half of speaking.
And we'll give you phrases you can use immediately.
All right, friends. Before we wrap up, we want to hear from you. Here's a question for today. Which of today's coffee shop tools, full order formula, follow-up survival kit, thinking time phrase, or polite finish, do you think you'll use first in real life? Or better yet, try it out and leave us a short example sentence in the comments.
Yes, we'll read your examples, give gentle feedback, and maybe even share a few in a future episode.
Seriously, we read every comment. Your little wins become part of our podcast family.
So don't be shy. Write your sentence, share your moment of using English in the real world, and let's celebrate it together.
Can't wait to see what you come up with.
Before we go, here's a small action for today. Pick one tool you liked most, maybe the full order formula or the thinking time phrase, and use it once today. Even if it's just talking to yourself in the mirror, that's practice. That's progress.
Exactly. The fact that you're here, taking time to learn, already shows commitment. Small steps, done consistently, lead to real change.
Thank you for listening today. If this episode helped you, subscribe and maybe share it with a friend who could use a confidence boost at the coffee shop.
Remember, communication's goal is connection, not perfection. Unfolded English, we're here with you, one conversation at a time.
See you next time.